EPA, our mission is to protect human health and the environment, and we develop and implement programs to reduce emissions of SO2, NOx, mercury from coal-fired power plants, and other sources. US EPA has been involved with NADP for more than 20 years. We rely on NADP precipitation chemistry data and ambient data to tell us how well our programs are working.
The National Park Service started monitoring atmospheric deposition in 1980 when several parks across the country installed NADP sites. We currently monitor in over 40 national parks, and we look at major ions and mercury and ammonia deposition.
The U.S. Geological Survey has been involved with NADP since the inception in 1978, even some early planning meetings before then. And what we did initially was we provided a lot of quality assurance advice. We had experience with collecting water samples in a clean and uncontaminated manner. And then in 1981, 1982, when the acid rain legislation was passed and NAPAP, that's when we came into the program in a big way, initially with about 50 of the National Trends Network sites.
The Cherokee Nation Environmental Program has been involved with NADP since April of 2003, so 13 years. Being involved with the NADP has elevated our program and our organization to a national level and given us some good recognition on the national level. It gives us opportunities to work with other national and international air monitoring groups.
We have missions within the USGS for water quality, for ecosystems, and for toxic substances with impacts to human health, and NADP contributes significantly to all three of those mission areas.
The data we collect through NADP allows the Park Service to evaluate the amount of air pollution that is depositing to park ecosystems. And because it's a long-term network, it allows us to look at how those inputs are changing over time. Too much atmospheric deposition can negatively impact park ecosystems by changing water quality or biodiversity. And participating in the National Atmospheric Deposition Program helps us to fulfill our mission as the National Park Service in helping to preserve these very special places for future generations.